You 3 LinkedIn hacks that will help you get clients. Now listen, I'm saying these are hacks. I'm not going to make you into some kind of a hacker that's sitting in a dark basement somewhere hacking into anything. It's just that these are things that people don't think of or that they don't know about, that they don't do, and they're going to help you get clients. And they're right there available to you within LinkedIn. So I'm going to expose those things to you today. What's going on, everybody? It's Chris Prouty. For the last 22 years, I have had thousands of paying clients that I've helped grow their businesses. These are people that love what they do and they just want to make money helping people doing something that inspires them. So we help them grow their businesses, but I do it in a way like you might not think. And if you're using LinkedIn to attract clients to your business, you want to pay attention to these strategies. The very first hack is about finding keywords for you and for your profile and for your content. Now, you could guess at the keywords to use, that might work, or you could do a ton of research. Well, include in your research going into the LinkedIn job postings. Hang on, I know you're a business owner, you're an entrepreneur, you're not looking for a job, that's fine. But the people who are putting job postings onto LinkedIn, they're using the language that your prospects are using when they look for you. So go into the LinkedIn job postings and search for jobs that are similar to the service that you provide. For example, if you're a video editor, go into LinkedIn job postings and look for job postings for full-time video editors. I know you're not going to apply for that job, but read the job posting and explore the language that the company is using in looking for that video editor or whatever it is you do. When you do this, you now have the language of the prospect that you can put into your LinkedIn profile, that you can put into your content, and that you can start using everywhere. It's an incredibly cool way of getting that, those keywords that no one's thinking of. So that's the very first thing that I want you to do. Creating magnetic content by answering questions that go unanswered. I love doing this and I do this all the time. Pick some competitors, pick leaders in your industry, pick people that have the same clients as you. Go to their profiles, go to their content, and read the comments. There are going to be people asking questions in the comments. And a lot of times, people ignore the comments and they don't answer the questions. That's the perfect opportunity for you to create content that answers those questions. Now, the person that asked the question, they're probably not going to come across this content. But if one person asked it in a comment to someone else's content, there's dozens of people that have the same question. So create the content based on the questions that were asked. And that's a really cool little hack for you in coming up with content ideas. And I hope you start using that right away. The use of Boolean operators in your LinkedIn search. I know it sounds like we just went back to college calculus because we're talking about Boolean operators and good old George Boole, who came up with these logical operators. Well, they are going to work very well for you in your LinkedIn search because they help you do a better job at searching and finding the people that you're looking for. So what is a Boolean search? It's the use of the phrase and, it's the use of the phrase or, it's the use of quotes. I'm going to do air quotes. It's the use of air quotes around your search phrases. When you use these Boolean operators, you're able to refine your search to find the exact people that you're looking for. For example, if I were looking for a lawyer in Miami, I could do in LinkedIn search the word lawyer, then the capital word and then the word Miami. And that's going to find instances in profiles of the words lawyer and Miami. So that's going to be very helpful. I could also use the word or. I could do lawyer or attorney and Miami. See what's going on here? We're using those Boolean operators to refine our search. I actually have an entire training on how to use Boolean operators, and I'm going to put an annotation on the screen to help you find that training right now. And by the way, if you like this content and you want to learn more cool stuff like this, I created this class right here. Just go to proutyclass.com and you can take my free on-demand workshop that's going to show you a whole bunch more of techniques to attract clients into your business. Just go to proutyclass.com. The moment you go there, that workshop is going to start. So get ready to start learning. Proutyclass.com is where you'll find that. And while everything that I've just taught you is incredibly important, it might not be the only thing that you need right now, which is why I'm going to put a link to another video right here for you to check out right now that's going to teach you even more. And if you click on my face, you can subscribe to my channel and get alerts every time I create content like this.